Back to the Guy-Tarian channel. Ava and I just made chopped watermelon, but now we have extra watermelon. So we figured, why not use that and save it to make some watermelon juice? I'm just scooping it out. How are you doing, Ava?
Good.
You doing good?
I have a lot of juice.
Just pour it in.
You already finished too?
I finished too. Actually, I saved the watermelon skin and I cut it up into smaller pieces and I put it right in my compost. Because, you know, as a Guy-Tarian, you may ask, what is Guy-Tarian? So a Guy-Tarian is just someone who is connected with the full cycle of life. And if that's who you are, then welcome. We're very happy that you stopped by. So now we're going to pour it into the blender. Okay. Try not to do like me and drop watermelon. Turn it on. So once you're done blending,
We're gonna pour it.
we're going to pour it in. So hold on. Let's pour it in. Some
It's
people
so
strain
bubbly.
it, some people don't strain it. It all depends on your preference. Now you just tap your strainer gently. And you can see just a little pulp in the top.
And foamy.
And it's a little foamy. You set this on the side. And again, you throw that in your compost. Thank you, Ava. Thank you for washing it. And we can use this to make fancy lemon glasses.
Ooh. And we're also going to juice a little bit of it.
I think we're going to juice as well. Would you like to get the little seeds out for me, please? Sure. Thank you. I'm going to wash another lemon. Very good. You're doing a really good job. While you do that, I'm going to get the glasses.
Okay, all good.
All good?
No more seeds.
Now we have our glasses. And then I think we should just squeeze this one. So hold on. Can you squeeze and then just shake it off a little bit? Perfect. You want to hold in that, mommy?
I'll hold that. More pink bubbles.
More pink bubbles. So now we're going to dress up our glasses. So we're going to take the lemon
I'm
slices.
gonna take a nice one.
Little slit. This is your glass. Here you go.
Ooh,
Put
I
yours
like
on.
this.
You like this one? And this is mommy's. So I think we should get some ice. For mine. Watermelon with a hint of lemon juice. See you guys next time.